Hey, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Muhammad Ibrahim Prata Dahlan. Here, I want to tell you an amusing story. Can you guess what the story is? Yes, correct. The legend of Timun Mas. So, listen carefully and enjoy the story. In ancient times, in Central Java, there lived a middle-aged little named Bo Srini. Because she lived alone, she really wanted to have a child. But one night in her dream, Bosnias visited a big giant who taught her to go to first, to take a package under a very large tree. What does the giant mean to give me a conversation? In the middle of confusion, without realizing it suddenly, a giant stood behind her and laughing out loud. But she was very surprised. Giant Lord, forgive me. I really want to leave. Please forgive me, Giant Lord. Don't worry, old woman. I will give you a favor. Don't you want to have a deal? But you will have to give that to me when she turns 17 years old. Because I'll make it my meal. Yes, Giant Lord. I really want to have a child. How can I have a child? Then, immediately, plan a conversation. Someday you will have a daughter. But remember, you will have to give that to me when she turns 17 years old. Because his desire was very great to have a children, but she subconsciously agreed. After that, she planted the cucumber and she always cried with a great affection every day. 2 months later, the plant became to bear fruit, but surprisingly, this olive fruit was have really big size. How shocked she after she splitting cucumber, she got a very beautiful baby girl. Oh my lord, what a beautiful baby girl. Thank you, Lord, for your kindness. She carried the baby while the baby was crying. She gave the little baby name Timun Mas. The day I went on and on. The moon and the years changed. And finally it was become a very beautiful girl. But a giant will come to collect the promise. However, because Virginie don't want to lose her beloved doctor, she come to Hermit to ask for their help. The hermit gave her 3 small bags for the safe person, for the safe Timun Mas from a big giant. Finally, Timun Mas turned 17 years old. A strange song who shook the earth was coming, and it's a giant who come to collect the promise. Percy told him Mas to run as far and bought 3 small bags. Hey, old woman, I will come to collect a promise. Where she went? See, she ran away when her you arrived here, giant. Please forgive me. What? Do you play with me? No, tell me where she went. Please, giant, forgive me. I really want to live. Please, giant Lord. A giant was very angry, but she saw Timun Mas. Where are you, Timun Mas? Is that you, Timun Mas? Come here. Pa, Timun Mas sprinkled the cucumber straight. Pa, this has become a very thick cucumber letting. A giant ate all a cucumber and chasing back. Where are you, Timun Mas? I want to eat you. Come here. Because a cucumber don't make chance, Timun Mas then split into it and become a very thick cucumber letting. A giant, a charge, a giant was very hurt because a lot of bamboo was stabbed and injured his leg. Because Timun Mas was very frightened, took the last package and miraculously the package became a boiling mouth. The mouth draws a giant and finally Timun Mas to live calmly and happily forever. That's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.